Unstitching Trueform, the story of an African factory by Ilse Wolff. Unstitching Trueform unpacks and speaks to the history of female industrial labour in Cape Town through the Trueform factories. As Wolff notes, this book is a study of these buildings as sites of modern architecture, multiple narratives, imaginaries, and constructions of identity. The Trueform buildings are here a means to understand a moment in time in Cape Town's complex history, and a means to unravel how architecture is situated and cited as both the setting and protagonist in this changing moment of the city and world. Wolff's deliberate choice of an interdisciplinary approach to studying these buildings does not overlook their significance as architectural objects. Instead, central to her argument is that while architectural innovation is significant, so are the lives of the buildings and those who made their living within them. As her work shows, these entangled worlds speak to each other and should be considered together. Wolff's writing draws out the complexity and contradictions of various actors involved and the overlapping spheres of race, gender, and class, as both determined by the apartheid state and actively negotiated by the inhabitants of these buildings. There is no singular binary history of these monumental factories, but instead a rich and layered drawing out and stitching together of the personal and political in relation to labour, architecture, and the wider political economy. This publication is an outstanding achievement, a lucid and enjoyable read, and overall an excellent contribution to architectural research for South Africa and beyond.